Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Nikon cameras on the market right now. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. But before we start, we are making a giveaway. If you want a chance to win an Amazon gift card, watch the video until the end, because there is a hidden word somewhere in this video. When you hear the hidden word, just follow these 3 steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. 2. Fill in the form. 3. Like the video and leave a comment with the hidden word. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 500 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best Nikon cameras on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Nikon Coolpix L26 16.1 MP digital camera. Starting our list is the Nikon Coolpix L26, a compact point-and-shoot camera that's a great entry-level option for beginners or casual photographers. With a 16.1 megapixel CCD sensor, it delivers decent image quality for everyday snapshots. The 5x optical zoom Nikkor glass lens, equivalent to a 26 to 130 mm focal length, allows you to capture both wide-angle group shots and moderate telephoto images. Its 3-inch LCD monitor makes framing and reviewing photos straightforward, and the ability to shoot HD 720p video at the touch of a button adds versatility. The camera's easy auto mode simplifies operation by automatically selecting the best settings for common scenes like portraits or landscapes, making it ideal for those who want a no-fuss experience. It runs on 2 AA batteries, which is convenient for travel, especially with rechargeable options like Duracell batteries that can save money over time. However, some users note a slow shutter speed and occasional lag, which might frustrate those needing quick shots. Durability is a mixed bag. Some report it handles rough conditions like roller coasters or water splashes well, but others mention it breaking within months or struggling in cold temperatures. Priced affordably, it's a solid choice for budget-conscious users who prioritize simplicity over advanced features. Number 9. Nikon Zf with Special Edition Prime. Lens full-frame mirrorless stills video camera with fast 40mm f2 lens. Next up, we have the Nikon Zf, a full-frame mirrorless camera that blends retro styling with modern technology. Inspired by the classic Nikon FM2, this camera features a 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor and the X-Speed 7 processor, delivering excellent image quality with vibrant colors and sharp details. The included 40mm f2 prime lens is fast and compact, perfect for street photography, portraits, and low-light shooting. Its 8-stop in-body image stabilization ensures steady shots, even with non-stabilized lenses. The Zf shines in video, offering 4K UHD at 30p with oversampling for crisp footage. The vari-angle touchscreen and high-resolution EVF make framing shots a breeze, whether you're shooting stills or vlogs. Autofocus is robust, with subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles, though it's not as advanced as higher-end models. While the design is stunning, the retro dials might feel less intuitive for fast-paced shooting compared to modern layouts. It's also pricier than entry-level mirrorless options, but its blend of style, performance, and full-frame quality makes it a favorite for enthusiasts who value aesthetics and functionality. Coming at number 8, Nikon Z7 II, ultra-high-resolution full-frame mirrorless stills video camera. At number 8, we find the Nikon Z7 II, a high-resolution powerhouse for photographers who demand detail. Its 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor captures stunningly sharp images, ideal for landscape, studio, and fine art photography. The X-Speed 6 processor ensures fast performance, and the dual card slots CF Express/XQD and SD offer flexible storage options. The Z7 II supports 4K UHD video at 60p, though it requires a slight crop, and its 10 FPS continuous shooting is respectable for action shots. The 493-point autofocus system with eye detection performs well for portraits and wildlife, though it's slightly less responsive than competitors in fast-moving scenarios. The 5-axis in-body stabilization is a boon for handheld shooting, and the bright 3.69 million dot EVF provides a clear view. Durability is top-notch, with a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body that's built to last. However, its high price and large file sizes from raw images can be demanding on storage and processing. For professionals or serious amateurs needing uncompromising resolution, the Z7 II is a fantastic choice, but it may be overkill for casual users. Coming at number 7, Nikon Z30 with wide-angle zoom lens, our most compact, lightweight, mirrorless stills video camera. The hidden word is shutterbug. Moving to number 7, the Nikon Z30 is a compact, vlogger-friendly mirrorless camera with a 20.9 megapixel DX format sensor. Paired with the 16-50mm f3.5 to 6.3 VR lens, it's perfect for creators stepping up from smartphone photography. It records 4K UHD video at 30p with full sensor readout, delivering sharp, vibrant footage, and supports full HD at 120p for slow-motion clips. The vari-angle touchscreen flips forward for easy self-framing, and the camera's deep grip ensures stable handheld shooting. Its eye detection AF keeps subjects in focus, whether you're filming people or animals. Weighing just 12.4 ounces, it's the lightest Z-series camera, making it ideal for travel or all-day vlogging. Connectivity via Nikon's SnapBridge app allows quick photo and video transfers to your phone. However, the lack of an electronic viewfinder might disappoint traditional shooters, and its ISO range, up to 25600 for video, 51200 for stills, isn't as robust as full-frame models in low light. At an affordable price, it's a great entry point for content creators. Number 6, Nikon Z8 Professional Full-Frame Mirrorless Stills Video Hybrid Camera. Entering the top 6, the Nikon Z8 is a professional-grade hybrid that rivals the flagship Z9 in a more compact body. Its 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor delivers exceptional detail, and the electronic shutter supports blistering speeds up to 120 FPS with pre-release capture. It's a video beast, offering 8K UHD at 30p with up to 125 minutes of continuous recording and 4K at 120p for slow motion, all with 12-bit NRAW or ProRes RAW options. The autofocus system detects 9 subject types, including birds and airplanes, making it versatile for wildlife and action. The 4-axis tilting monitor and blackout-free EVF enhance usability, while the weather-sealed body withstands harsh conditions down to 10 degrees. Dual card slots, CF Express and SD, add flexibility. Some users note the lack of a mechanical shutter and occasional accessory shortages, like battery chargers without cables, but these are minor gripes. Priced lower than the Z9, the Z8 is a near-perfect balance of size, power, and value for pros. Coming in at number 5, Nikon D850 FX format, digital SLR camera body. At number 5, we have the Nikon D850, often hailed as one of the greatest DSLRs ever made. Its 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor produces breathtakingly detailed images, perfect for landscapes, portraits, and commercial work. With 7 FPS shooting, 9 FPS with a battery grip, it's fast enough for most action scenarios. The D850 records 4K UHD video across the full sensor width, a first for Nikon DSLRs at its release, and its 153-point autofocus system is reliable for both stills and video. The optical viewfinder offers a bright, traditional shooting experience, and the camera's 1840-shot battery life far surpasses mirrorless rivals. Dual card slots, XQD CF Express and SD ensure storage versatility. The rugged, weather-sealed body is built for durability, making it a favorite for pros in tough environments. However, its size and weight are heftier than mirrorless options, and the autofocus in live view can be slower. For those who prefer the DSLR experience, the D850 remains a benchmark for quality and reliability. Coming at number 4, Nikon Z6 II. Versatile full-frame mirrorless stills video hybrid camera. Landing at number 4 is the Nikon Z6 II, a versatile full-frame mirrorless camera that balances performance and affordability. Its 24.5 megapixel sensor delivers excellent image quality with great dynamic range, ideal for everything from portraits to low-light shooting. The 14 FPS continuous shooting and 273-point autofocus with eye detection make it capable for action and wildlife photography. For video, it records 4K UHD at 60p with a crop, and Full HD at 120p, catering to hybrid shooters. The 5-axis in-body stabilization ensures steady shots, and dual card slots, CF Express, QD, and SD, offer flexibility. The Z6 II's weather-sealed body is durable, and the 3.69 million dot EVF is crisp and responsive. While it doesn't match the resolution of the Z7 II or the speed of the Z8, its lower price makes it accessible for enthusiasts and semi-pros. Some users wish for faster autofocus tracking compared to competitors, but its all-around performance makes it a strong contender. Number 3. Nikon D7500 DX format, digital SLR body. Taking the bronze at number 3 is the Nikon D7500, a DX format DSLR that offers pro-level features at a mid-range price. Its 20.9 megapixel apsc sensor produces sharp, vibrant images, and the XSpeed 5 processor ensures fast performance. With 8 FPS continuous shooting and a 51-point autofocus system, it's well suited for sports and wildlife. The D7500 shoots 4K UHD video at 30p, though with a crop, and its tilting touchscreen is great for creative angles. The optical viewfinder provides a classic DSLR experience, and the camera's weather-sealed body is built to withstand tough conditions. Its single SD card slot and slightly limited buffer capacity are drawbacks for burst shooters, and the video autofocus lags behind mirrorless models. However, its 950-shot battery life and ergonomic design make it a favorite for enthusiasts who want DSLR reliability without breaking the bank. The D7500 is a fantastic value for those prioritizing performance over the latest mirrorless tech. Coming at number 2, Nikon Z6 III mirrorless camera. Securing the silver medal is the Nikon Z6 III, a full-frame mirrorless camera that's a creative powerhouse. Launched in 2024, it features a 24.5 megapixel sensor with a 3.5x faster readout than its predecessor, delivering stunning stills and 6K raw video at 60p. The XSpeed 7 processor powers 120 FPS burst shooting and advanced autofocus inherited from the Z8 and Z9, with precise subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles. Its bright EVF with a DCI-P3 color gamut and 5-axis stabilization ensure vibrant, steady shots. The Z6 III excels in low light with an ISO range up to 5/1200, and its vari-angle touchscreen supports flexible framing for vlogging or stills. The weather-sealed body is compact, yet durable, ideal for on-the-go creators. Some users note the higher price compared to the Z6 II, but the performance leap justifies it. For hybrid shooters wanting cutting-edge tech, the Z6 III is a near-perfect choice. Number 1. Nikon Coolpix P950 Super Zoom Digital Camera. Taking the top spot is the Nikon Coolpix P950, a super zoom bridge camera that's a dream for wildlife and travel photographers. Its 83x optical zoom, equivalent to 24-2000mm, lets you capture everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects with incredible detail. The 16-megapixel 1.5-3-inch CMOS sensor delivers solid image quality, and the 5.5 stop optical image stabilization ensures sharp shots even at extreme zoom. The P950 shoots 4K UHD video at 30p and supports RAW format for post-processing flexibility. Its 2.36 million dot EVF and rotating 3.2-inch LCD make composing shots easy, while Wi-Fi connectivity simplifies sharing. The camera's compact design is more portable than DSLRs or mirrorless systems with telephoto lenses, and its user-friendly interface suits beginners and enthusiasts alike. Some users report average low-light performance due to the small sensor, and the fixed lens limits flexibility compared to interchangeable lens systems. But for its unmatched zoom range, durability, and value, the P950 is our #1 pick for versatility. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best Nikon cameras. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.